Put the shoe on your foot.
Put it on. Show Mammy how you put the shoe on. On your foot. On your foot.
Where's your
not
foot?
Your hand.
Oh, without even looking. Wow, that's talent. He says, I already walked today and I already said bye, so I might as well put a shoe on while I'm at it. Can you blow a kiss? Mwah. Where's your shoe? Where's your shoe, Liam? Hi! Bye-bye!